Mars, Russia steps up precision attacks along front lines to kill MLRS launchers with Buk M3 missiles. Russia increasingly relies on drones and missiles, not its vaunted artillery, to strike Ukrainian armor and guns along the front lines. The change of tactic appears to yield good results in the number of videos released by the Russian Ministry of Defense. Facing the determined hostility of Ukrainian forces all along the front lines and its own stretched supply lines in the Kherson region, Russia is sending more and more surveillance and kamikaze drones, and precision-guided artillery shells to the battleground. One Izvestia report suggests that Russia is also using its Buk M3 medium-range surface-to-air missile system to strike HIMARS systems. Reliance on precision aerial weapons reduces the reaction time required to meet a threat emerging along the front lines. It also reduces the need to haul artillery shells over long supply lines from ammunition depots located deep in the interior, outside the Ukrainian HIMARS range. Because of their vulnerability to Ukrainian kamikaze drone attacks, the stretched supply lines led to a lot of attrition. Military expert Vladislav Shurigin recently told Izvestia, "We are working on a reconnaissance strike circuit where we are constantly searching for targets from drones, and when they are detected, we immediately aim precision-guided munitions at them." Rumad has recently released an impressive amount of video footage of Ukrainian tanks, M777 guns, radars, and Buk M1 launchers being struck by Lancet drones. Very often, drones strike moving targets. Russian kamikaze drones typically coordinate with high-flying reconnaissance drones equipped with good optics. The reconnaissance drone operator locates the target and relays its coordinates to the kamikaze drone operator, who feeds in the coordinates and launches the drone from a safe distance in the rear. As the kamikaze drone approaches its target area, it can receive updated target coordinates through its operator chain. The Lancet drone has an optical sensor to record its flight path into the target. Rumad typically posts footage from the optical sensor of the drone showing the drone striking the target, followed by footage from the high-flying reconnaissance drone showing the Lancet hitting the target.